Hi, welcome back. Everybody told me that AI is going to take all developer cloud engineer job. And here we are in 2026. Believe me, I've heard and seen this story play out in the past tech cycle. They say always something, of course, fueled by social media and the media professionals who have little understanding how actually a software or application deploys in production. Let me walk you through what differentiates between a single ChatGPT prompt and actually taking it to the production. So this is a simple repository, and this is a DB agent, this is a database agent. You can deploy on Databricks or anywhere. So in this example, if I want to create a CI/CD pipeline, which push the container to Docker Hub and actually deploy to EKS. So if I simply go to ChatGPT, I can say, can you create a GitHub action? To build the Docker container, you can see how it does. It makes certain assumptions and creates a pipeline. So you can see pretty much whole pipeline is created, no fault in it. But here is a catch. Nobody, even before ChatGPT or AI, you will never use this type of pipeline in production system. That everybody knows who has been in the industry for a very long time. But ChatGPT creates a simple template. I'll show you a real production grade pipeline, which exactly what it takes to do in production. So if I go here, you can see my DB agent EKS pipeline, what it does. First thing what I do is a lint. Lint is a very fundamental check what you do in all these kind of code, especially in Python, because Python is not a compiled language. So there is no way actually find a syntax error or some other kind of issues before you actually run the program. So that's why you always lint it. Lint, what it does, it checks for basic problem. Like sometimes it can identify certain bugs as well. Bugs, syntax error, typos. So you make a lint on that to make sure whenever the code is deployed, it will actually run. Second, CI build. You can see CI build is there. That's fine. We did the CI build, which is ChatGPT also did. What it missed actually, the CI security scan, because no code is actually safe enough to be deployed into the production. You need to do a basic CV error checking. What it does, it creates a CV profile so that your CISO knows what security posture or security threat are already present into this application. And once all this is done, it basically goes and deploys. And of course, now you can actually have a full-blown application with certain pass and failure criteria. So these are some of the basic things, very simple things, which are so essential for a production grade software developer or a DevOps engineer. What you saw right now, AI can write all the codes. Even in this case, I didn't write a single code. It's all written by AI. But AI has made it really hard to fake an experience because all the time, whenever you're showing a portfolio project doesn't have these basic nitty-gritties, then people know you are a novice. So just saw here, AI can generate a code, but AI doesn't know your requirement, and it is not always often enough to deploy in production. And that is what the enterprise is looking for. Enterprise is not looking for someone to come and do a ChatGPT prompt. They are looking for someone who can take their AI system into production grade. If you are interested in any of these, I have built a free GitHub learning plan about AI cloud engineer, how to land a job in 2026, completely free. It will be in the comment below. And please follow and fork that repository. Thank you.